Guys, my name is Umair and you're watching Umair's workshop. Today I'm gonna talk about this incubator which can have a capacity of 200 chicken eggs, and if it is quail eggs it is a greater quantity then. So on the inside we have these trays which you have to turn the eggs by yourself. It is manual, and these have two trays, and I have covered this whole incubator in a thermopole sheet from the downside onto the back side onto the top side, and onto the sides I have placed the aluminum sheets, and I placed these heaters onto the back side. Two heaters should be placed, and this fan is sucking all the air and throwing on to the second heater, and the heating air will go downside onto the second tray and to the downside. We can also place third tray over here and place the water on here, but if you want you can place the water over there, so it will warm up and keep up the humidity up. So the circuit we have used is 3000 or w3001, which is controlling the heaters, but the fan is working 24 hours by this supply, because we have to work the fan, so we have to place the 12-volt supply. Otherwise if we use this it can work on to the heaters only. So if you want to see the wiring and setting of this w3001, you can check out the card on the top or in the description how to change the setting and the wiring. So this thermopole system is a very good option if you are making in a electric saving incubator like this. So it is only using 100 wattage. It can keep it onto the 100 wattage, but if you want on to the safe side, you can place the second heater. If that heater doesn't work or fuse, the second heater will keep working. So that's how two heaters are working. This can work on the 60-watt heater as well. So the size of this incubator is 20 inches by 20 inches by 20 inches. So this is a box like that, and the ventilation is I didn't place any kind of holes in it. I have these single line of the ventilation. The fresh air is going from here to the downside of the hinge, and the heat is and the carbon dioxide is coming out from here, this side and this side as well. So if you have make any kind of box which doesn't have any kind of these lines, you can have to place the holes onto the back side of the top, and two holes onto the downside and two holes onto the top side, or pencil size holes, so it will keep ventilation pressure. On this circuit, it is a very simple to use circuit and easy to install circuit. So I have placed it onto the 37.8 and 37.9. So I have placed 0.01 degree difference, so it will turn off at 37.9 right now. It reached 38, so it have turned off, and when it reaches 37.8 it will turn on. So it will keep turn on and off to maintain the temperature we have set. But if you want to change the setting, you can keep pressing it and it will you can change the setting by yourself. So I place it 37.7, and on to this side I am gonna place it 37.9. So I place 0.2 difference. So that's how it is gonna work. This sheet is made of chipboard lamination. You can use MDF, but in the MDF you have to be careful. If the water touches it, it will ruin the MDF. So that's why I always use this chipboard. Now it will turn on at 37.8. See, so you have to turn the eggs by yourself every day 2 times like this. Place the hand onto the eggs and roll it like this. Your duty for turning eggs is done, and you have to place the water over here. Keep the water every day so it will keep humidity. There is no humidity temperature, so you have to place a hygrometer on all of these trays, and you have to maintain 70% humidity for about 18 days, and after 18 days you have to place it to the 80 to 85, so the hatch will be good. Be sure that these circuits are not reliable, they can go bad anytime, so keep a spare of this circuit so you can change it on the time. Otherwise it is not reliable. These circuits are not reliable, they can go bad anytime. So this is a electric saving incubator. You can make normal incubator that will consume a lot of electricity, but this is not taking any heating for this big size of incubator. Also you have to keep the gap onto the back side of these trays, 2 inches gap, so the heating can go from this side to the downside and this tray, and you have to leave that space of 2 inches so the heat can go downside, and it will reach to the water and it will warm up the water to bear. So you can place the sponge dishwashing sponge onto the water to increase the humidity. So if you like this incubator, is this information, please like, share and subscribe. If you want to make your own incubator like this one, brooder cages, you can search Omar's Workshop and search. You may find all of the tutorials and you can make your own about these circuit settings as well. So have a nice day. Bye.